to all. Today we are going to study about food and where does it come from. In the last class we have studied about food, why it is important, the functions of food we have studied. So I told you about the four important functions of food. First one is that it keeps us fit and healthy. Second one is that it gives us energy for carrying out various life processes. Then third one is that it helps us to fight against diseases, and the fourth one is that it helps us to grow and repair the damaged cells. So today we are going to study that from where does we get this food. Yes, what are the sources of food we are going to study in today's video. So food comes from two sources. Yes, first one is plants, second one is animals. And we know, as human beings, we eat both. We eat plants and we eat animals also, or animal products also. So we are omnivorous. Yes, we are omnivorous. Yes, and further we have characterized them into human beings into vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Vegetarians are those people who eat plant and plant products, and whereas non-vegetarian are those people who eat your plant food as well as your animal food, like your meat, egg, etc. Yes, so they are known as your non-vegetarians. So let's discuss about plant as source of food in detail. Okay, so plant are source of food. So plants prepare their own food by the means of photosynthesis. We know this thing, and plants are known as autotrophs because of this, because they can synthesize their own food. So, and we know this, the plants are the primary source of food on the earth. Yes, and we eat various parts of the plant as food. Yes, almost each and every part of the plant is edible. Not of all plants, but of some plants we eat roots, of some plants we eat stems, some plants we eat roots, of some plants we eat leaves, of some plants we eat fruits. Yes, so we are going to discuss them in detail. Before that, first if we talk about that, plants gives us cereals. Yes, what are cereals? They are the staple food of human beings, we know this thing. And your rice, maize, wheat, all are the examples of your cereals, and they are rich in carbohydrates. Next, plants gives us pulses also. Your kidney beans, your Bengal gram, your your urad dal, that is your black gram. Yes, then we have pigeon pea. All these are the this pulses that we get from plants. Yes, and they are also rich in proteins. They are rich in proteins, and your cereals are rich in carbohydrates. We are going to study this components of food in the next chapter. Yes, and we get what we get. We get vegetables from the plants. So your vegetables like your carrot, your spinach, your cabbage, all are from the various parts of the plant. Yes, if we talk about roots vegetables. Okay, the roots that we eat as vegetables are your radish, your carrot, your turnip, your sweet potato, your beetroot, etc. are the examples of your root vegetables. If we talk about stem vegetables, then your underground stems of your potato, ginger, garlic, onion, all these are stems that we eat as vegetables. Next we have leafy vegetables. Okay, the leaves that we eat as vegetables is your spinach, your cabbage. Yes, then your methi. Yes, is are the examples of your leafy vegetables. Next, if we talk about flower as vegetables, of some plants flower we eat as vegetables, like your cauliflower, then your broccoli, your banana flower. Yes, next is your fruit as vegetables. Of some plants fruit we eat as vegetables, that are your tomato, your brinjal, your ladyfinger, your beans are the fruit. Yes, we get fruit also, fruit from the plants. We know this thing. We get apple fruit, we get mango fruit, we get peach, we get orange, papaya, lots and lots of fruits we get from the plants. And plants gives us also oils also, like your coconut oil, your mustard oil, your sunflower oil, your soya bean oil. So these are the oils that are edible and we get from the plants. We get spices also, and spices also we get from various parts of the plant, like dried, somewhere we eat dried seeds that we use as spice, then we use buds, we use fruit. Yes, there also we get lots and lots of spices from the plants. Like if I talk about cumin seeds, that is known as jeera in Hindi. Yes, then we have haldi, that is turmeric. We have your mustard seeds also. Yes, we have your coriander seeds. Yes, that we use as spices. So one important thing that I want to tell you about spices is that spices not only just add to the flavor, just do not just add the flavor to your food item or dish, but it has the medicinal properties also. Like, turmeric is good for your, if you have any internal bleeding or you have any injury, it is very good for it. It is excellent healer. Yes, if we talk about clove is also one important ingredient. And as you know that the COVID is going on, so we are saying that we should use lots and lots of spices. We should eat clove, we should take in on this turmeric, we should drink turmeric milk. Yes, so they add medicinal properties also. They just do not have the flavor, they do not just add the taste to your dishes, but they help you with the medicinal properties also. Yes, we also get sugar from the plants. Yes, the sugar is obtained from your sugar cane and your beetroot plant. Then we also get tea and coffee from the plant. So this is how the plant is used as a source. So plants gives us many and many things that we consume in our daily life. Next we are going to talk about animals. So there are different types of animal products that we get from animals. We get milk, we get eggs, we get meat, we get seafood. Yes, your fishes and seafood. And I must tell you that your seafood that is rich in your fishes and seafood are rich in iodine and protein. We get milk, and we have milk products along with it, your ghee, butter, your paneer, all these things that we get from milk products. So obviously they are the sources from the animals only. We get honey. See, honey is produced by honeybee, and we should know this thing. They collect the nectar from the flowers. Yes, juice like substance from the flowers, and then they will store it, and then they will make honey of it. Yes, and this honey is just not tasty, but it also have antibacterial and antibacterial and medicinal values. Yes, in Ayurvedic medicines you must have seen the honey is used in great content. Yes, so it has medicinal value also. So these all are the things that we get from plants and animals. Yes, I hope this content is clear to you, that we get what we get from plants, what we get from animals, and there are only two sources of food on earth, that is plants and animals. So that's all. Thank you so much.